In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you can do it in two ways. The first one, the quickest one, is to open your phone the other and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers and also serial numbers assigned to your device right here. But also you can find them through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then click on the settings icon, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and mark about phone. And right here over here you've got serial number and also both IMEI numbers assigned to your Samsung Galaxy A21s. So this is it. This is how you can quickly and easily locate those numbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.